For deliveries, this is the best option. I was using another bike before, but for deliveries, I don't wanna lie, this is the best bike. It uses 2 batteries. The good thing about this battery is they can last you for like a day, 160 kilometers. For exchanging, they've got clips here. Battery doesn't get loose when you're driving. Then you take out the battery. There we go. Let's go on to exchange the batteries. They are very heavy. On this machine, how it happens here, there's a tag. As you can see, there's a tag here. Then there's also an application in the, from the phone. Scan batteries. You press it there, then you open on the scanner, and then the lid opens for you to change your batteries. And when you put it, you plug it, make sure the plug is tight, and you close. This thing is automatic. Then you exchange, you put in the second one, so that the system can work properly. So the machine is always charging. The batteries are always available. So now when you're done, then you can put your batteries back. You're done. Then you close. Everything is shown on the display. The seat is very comfortable. The sound is very quiet. I've had 4 or 5 clients who have been actually interested about the quietness of this bike when it comes to delivery at their houses. You don't need to worry about oil. I need to buy oil. Petrol is going up, it's going down, going up. But on this one, you know you're always on the road. And the other good thing about this one, you don't need to worry about oil. I need to buy oil. My oil is finished. This one is just power. The maintenance that you have to do is you have to clean it.